Hi there, welcome to the second installment of the how-to videos on the Facility Location Planner exercises. In exercise 1 we populated the base stations with 3 new stations, stations 6, 7 and 8, and got them to show on the map. What we now need to do is to populate the travel matrix. So first things first is we move from the base data sheet into matrix and define matrix and define. In here we will see that you've got all 78 areas and the 8 stations. Now we've already got a travel time matrix for the first 5 bases. That was all set up. Now we need to add the next 3. So how we do that is we go into update, we update the 3 stations, stations 6, 7 and 8. We also need to go into the areas list and set yes. We're going to update for each of the 78 areas. So once that's done, they're all set to yes. So it's 78 yeses for areas, 3 yeses for bases. Click on the calculate button. After a few seconds it comes back and says it's going to take a number of minutes to compute. What we do here is we press yes. Hopefully before you've done that you've made sure that Maptitude is closed in the background, so we're only running one copy of Maptitude. That tends to be one of the problems where Maptitude may fall over and give you some issues. So what I would just like to point your attention to while we're doing this is, while it's doing those calculations, the way of checking on how it's getting on is you can see in the bottom left hand corner this idea of we're currently on base 7 areas 32 plus running through. That's showing you how the calculation is progressing. I think this will only take another minute or so before it's complete. And once it is complete, we're then able to look at the travel time and travel distance matrices, and that will be completed. So in a few seconds we'll see that the spreadsheet will jump to those sheets and we'll see that it has been populated. So here we go, where we previously only had stations 1 through, or bases 1 through 5 populated, we now have the travel time matrix populated for each of the 78 areas for all stations. So that's travel time. We can also have a similarly it's been done for distance as well. So that is exercise 2 within the training.